Dear students, welcome back. So today in this class, we'll continue with few more questions from probability. So in the previous class, I told you that the formula for finding out the probability of the occurrence of an event is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. That is the main formula. The probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes upon number of total outcomes. Okay, so now we are going to start today's first question. The question says, two dice are rolled together. Find the probability of getting such numbers on two dice whose product is a perfect square. Now, first of all, we will write down the sample space. Now, let me tell you what is the sample space. When two dice are rolled, and if you write down all the possibilities, if you list all the possibilities, then that is called a sample space. Like here, if you roll two dice, the first of the possibility can be 1-1. That is one on the first die and one on the second die. Then it can be 1-2, then 1-3, 1-4, 1-5, 1-6. Okay. Then 2-1, 2-2, 2-3, 2-4, 2-5, 2-6, then 3-1, 3-2, 3-3, 3-4, 3-5, 3-6. Similarly, 4-1, 4-2, 4-3, 4-4, 4-5, 4-6, and then 5-1, 5-2, 5-3, 5-4, 5-5, 5-6, and then 6-1, 6-2, 6-3, 6-4, 6-5, 6-6. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes. So this is the sample space that I have written over here. If you count, you will see in all there are 36. So number of total outcomes will be equal to 36. When you roll two dice together, there can be only 36 possibilities. 36 different combinations, 36 different possibilities you will get. Okay. Now the condition for the question was that find the probability that getting such a numbers that whose product is 12. The first part whose product is 12. Now out of these you have to see when the products of two numbers 12. So this is not 12 and not from any. The first one you see 2, 6. 2 into 6 is what? 12. So that is one favorable outcome, because they are saying that number on the top faces of the two dice, when they multiply, they must give you 12. So 1 is there. Now 3 into 4, again it is 12. 3 into 4. Clear? Then next 4 into 3, 4 comma 3. So it is also 12, 4 into 3. Next, not here. So 6 into 2, 12. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 favorable outcomes are there. 2, 6, 6, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3. Only 4 favorable outcomes are there. So probability product of numbers 12. So as I told you, the favorable outcomes is 4. Favorable outcomes are 4 and total outcomes are 36. So 4 by 36, or you can say 1 by 9. The answer is 1 by 9. 1 by 9 is your answer. Now the second part, they are saying that find the probability so that we get the numbers on the two dice whose product is a perfect square. You have to find two numbers such that their product is a perfect square number. So you see once again, let me erase these ticks. Now see, 1 comma 1, because 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 is a perfect square number. Then 2 comma 2, because 2 into 2 is 4, 4 is again a perfect square. Okay, then perfect square number. Then 3 into 3, 3 into 3 is 9, 9 is again a perfect square number. Then 4 into 4, 4 into 4, 16, 16 is a perfect square number. 5 into 5, 25, 25 is a perfect square number. And 6 into 6, 36, 36 again is a perfect square number. So how many favorable conditions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 favorable outcomes are there. So the second part, the probability product of numbers is a perfect square. So favorable outcome 6, total outcome 36. So your answer will be 1 by 6. The answer is 1 by 6. Clear? Now the next question. In the previous class, I told you something about cards, the number of suits, the number of cards, black cards, red cards. So the question says, one card is drawn at random from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Now you have to find the probability of drawing. Now few parts are there. So I'll tell you. So before doing this question, I'll just give you a recap. There are 4 suits of cards like this. There are 4 different suits of cards. Like this. The first one is called spade. Okay. And the second one is called club. The third one is a diamond. And the fourth one is heart. So there are 13 cards of spade, 13 cards of club, 13 cards of diamond and 13 cards of hearts. That is why in all there are 52 cards. In all, in a deck of cards there are 52 cards. Okay, there are 52 cards. Clear? 13 cards of each type. Now, these two, they are black cards. And these two, they are red cards. That means, in a deck of cards, there are 26 black cards and 26 red cards. Now, in each suit, out of the 13 cards, we start with an ace. This is ace. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Jack, Queen, King. You can see there are 13 cards. Each suit is like this only. And these three, Jack, Queen and King of all suits, they are face cards. They are face cards because a face is made on these cards. Now the first part of the question, one card is drawn at random. So the first part, what is the probability of drawing an ace? So it is very easily seen. When there are total 52 cards in the pack, that means total number of outcomes will remain 52. Now how many aces are there? 4 aces are there. So it is 4 by 52. Favorable outcomes 4, total outcomes 52. So 1 by 13 is your answer. Okay, now the second part. Second part, they are saying a 4 of spade. 4 of spade. 4 of spade. So you know in a pack there is only one 4 of spade, because in spade we have 13 cards but only one card is 4. So 4 of spade, the favorable outcomes will be 1 only. So it is 1 upon 52. The answer is 1 upon 52. Then the third part. A 9 of black. 9 of black. Now see, how many black cards are there? 26. Means there are 2 suits of black color. So one 9 is in spades and one 9 is in clubs. So there will be 2 black 9s. So 9 of black, the favorable outcome is 2 and the total outcome 52. So 2 by 52 or 1 by 26 will be your answer. 9 of black, so 2 is the favorable outcome and 52 is the total outcome. So 1 by 26 is the answer. Now fourth part, a red king. Okay, a red king. You know, although there are 4 kings in a pack, but 2 kings are black and 2 kings are red, because one king is from spade and one king is from club, one is from diamond and the other king is from the heart. So the spade and the club kings will be black and the diamond and heart kings will be red. So red king, there will be 2 red kings. Upon 52 is the total outcome, that remains the same every time. So 1 by 26 is your answer. Clear? Now, fifth, find the probability that the card drawn is a diamond. Now, how many diamond cards are there in a pack? 13. I told you 13 diamond cards are there. So favorable outcome will be 13, total outcome will be 52. So 1 by 4 is your answer. The answer is 1 upon 4. Then sixth part. Find the probability that the card drawn is a king or an ace. A king or an ace means in favorable outcomes, 4 kings and 4 aces are there. So a king or an ace means the favorable outcome will be 8. So favorable outcome is 8. 4 kings and 4 aces upon 52. So 2 by 13 will be your answer. Okay. So these are few parts of question related to cards. So in the next class we will continue with few more questions from probability. Thank you.